Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, we will learn how to download and install iTunes on our Windows. So whether you're on Windows 10, 11, or even 7, the process is really simple, so let's just get started. You can open up any of the browsers available, Chrome, Edge, or any browser. And in the search bar, you can type in download iTunes for Windows. So just go ahead and type in download iTunes for Windows and hit search. And once you hit search, you will be finding the official link for iTunes from Apple. So click the official link from apple.com. Avoid any kind of third-party applications. We even have it on Microsoft Store. You can go in and look out for the one that you think you would prefer. And once you find it up, all you gotta do is you can just go ahead and look out for the latest version of the available application and click on the download option and wait for the installation to be completed. You can find the installer, so you can find the file location and open it up. And once you find it up, you can double click on it in order to install it. So once you double click on it, it should start installing. You can go ahead and click on install option that pops up on your screen and confirm it up. It will start checking your system requirements. It may take about some few minutes for the download to be completed, so you may be patient and wait for it. And once the installation is completed, you just need to go ahead and log in with your Apple ID and you can access the iTunes application on your Windows. So that is it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe.